It's time to put yourself out there. The last time you were dating was a while back, and things have changed. But you're great, and you deserve to meet someone great. This will make it a little bit easier. Dating apps are good. I repeat, dating apps are good. They're an extremely efficient way to check out a lot of people quickly. Download a few and check them out. Struggling with the dreaded bio? Keep it short and simple. Add a game to kick off a future conversation. Maybe have them guess how many piercings or degrees you have. And what about that profile photo? Make it a candid photo, and make sure you're wearing something bright. You also get extra points for posing with your mom. But whatever you do, don't just post one photo.
And no extreme selfie angles. You want to look like you.
Filter your location to within a mile. This may sound lazy, but when you're getting back into the dating world, don't add a level of difficulty. Choose a place near your office after work, or your local bar. If things don't go well, you only wasted an hour over a drink, not 3 hours over an epic commute. Swipe in the AM. Limit yourself to 30 minutes before work so you don't exhaust yourself. Plus, there are like-minded people up at the same time you're up. Find an outfit you love and feel confident in. Assign it your first date outfit, and now that's one less thing to think about before you embark. Most bars have card minimums, and you may not want to stay for drink number 2, so have enough cash on hand to pay for your drinks. It will also undercut any awkwardness about who pays for what. There are only so many ideal times for dinner, and weekends are precious. Coffee can be whenever. Coffee dates also remove some of the sexiness of the situation, which is great if you're not just looking for a hookup. And if someone makes you laugh when you're not drunk, that's a promising sign. Plus, coffee is much cheaper than alcohol. Remember, attitude is everything. We're talking about your attitude on dating in general. Chances are your date is not the one. Thinking you're about to meet your soulmate will almost definitely lead to disappointment. Think of this as practice. Best case scenario, you meet someone great. Worst case, you have a lousy time and a story to tell your friends after. So go out there, meet some people, and have fun.